If you want to win some free Bitcoin, then you definitely have found the right channel. Every video I give away 0.01 Bitcoin, and now we're gonna draw the winner of the last video. Congratulations, Dave Parkinson. I hope it lasts long enough for people to get their initial investment out. Now the word is getting out about their scheme. I totally agree with you. I would not go too harsh on BitConnect yet, but if it's getting confirmed that not MasterCard nor Visa having a real cooperation with BitConnect, then, well, yes, then I agree with you. Congratulations again. And if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and write a comment down below. And now enjoy the video. So this is the full Genesis mining tutorial. We're gonna start at the dashboard. Basically at the dashboard you can see how much hash power of which contract you have and your earnings. Back in the days, from what I remembered, here you could see your total earnings from these contracts, but right now it looks like that this is only for 1 month. Here are my Bitcoin earnings from this month from my currently running contract. Here you can see my Dash earnings. If you see this pattern in here, that means that the payouts are actually too low to getting paid out, and then you get a piled up payment. Here the same thing for Ethereum, and that is it already for the dashboard. So let's jump into the mining allocation. Some people think that if they reduce their BTC mining, for example, to 75% and upper their Litecoin, for example, to 25%, that they are actually mining Bitcoin and Litecoin, but that is not the case. You only mine that coin that you're buying the contract for, alright? If we go to buy hash power right now, you can buy a Bitcoin mining contract, Zcash mining, Ethereum mining, and Monero mining, and you will mine these coins. The mining allocation does only exist if you want to get paid in other currencies. So let's say, for example, you really go for that 25% Litecoin. That would mean you would still just be mining Bitcoin. You would get paid 75% in Bitcoin, and the other 25% would be exchanged for Litecoin and given to you. So again, to make this 100% clear, on the mining allocation, you do not mine other coins. You're only getting paid in other coins. The next menu point would be the payouts. Well, basically in here you can see which transaction actually went through already, what's their state, and which are not. For those who do marketing, you can see the bonus payouts in here. And we directly jump over into my account. Basically, if you open up my account and go to settings, that is where you want to fill in your wallet address and make sure it's the correct address. Now, how do you get your Bitcoin address? In every wallet, you will have something like receive, or it says Bitcoin address or whatever. So you have to insert the wallet address, but don't use Coinbase, for example. Exchanges are not really that great if it comes down to mining earnings. So in my opinion, you should use a hardware wallet or a desktop wallet like I'm doing with Exodus. So basically I just go to receive, copy my Bitcoin address, and I would insert it in here. Zack. Then hit save in here, and that's it already. Now let's check the Genesis Mining affiliate program. Well, you can decide if you want to get paid in hash power. So let's say, for example, someone upgrades a Zcash contract. If you have this set up in hash power, you would get a few percentages of hash power that other person bought on Zcash. If he's upgrading Bitcoin, you would get a little bit of hash power of SHA-256 for Bitcoin mining. Obviously, you can also change that to Bitcoin payout, but for me personally, I definitely prefer the hash power bonus for now. This in here is your affiliate code, so if people using that code by purchasing something, they get a 3% discount and you are getting the commission. There are different ranks, and how can you get to a higher rank? Basically, you have to do more sales. So if people upgraded for $100 or more with your code, you get to copper, $500 bronze, $1,000 silver, $5,000 gold, $10,000 platinum, $50,000 diamond, and $100,000 legend. And this is the highest rank you can actually achieve in their affiliate program. So basically, if you have the highest rank like I do right now, and you guys are using my code, you're getting a 3% discount like with anyone else's code, and I'm getting 6% of a commission from all your purchases. Of course, you can use that code as many times as you want. In here, you have your different landing page links. I mean, you can see here the stats from yesterday, this month, last month, to pretty much track your traffic. Well, then we have the customer support in here. Well, there is not really anything to say about it except for it that it is slow, but on all these cryptocurrency, especially cloud mining websites, these companies, they really have growing pains. In the My Order section, you can actually see what you bought. So basically, this was my first contract on the 12th of June. I actually started my journey with Genesis Mining with a 40 mega hash upgrade of Dagger Hashimoto, which is Ethereum mining. Did it pay off? Well, I would say not really. Bitcoin mining is definitely superior. Alright, so now we're gonna come to an interesting part, how to actually buy a contract and which contract do I recommend. As we speak right now, there is only one contract I recommend, and that is the open-ended Bitcoin mining contract. The problem with this contract is you have to purchase right now. It will be sold out in a few days, maximum 1 week. I promise you that in 1 week this will be sold out. The mining starts at the 28th of February. So obviously some people are complaining that, well, maybe you should just buy Bitcoin right now and by February you would have already made a lot of gains. Well, the good thing is you can buy these contracts in dollars as well. So if you want to have your entry point in dollars in here, you can do that too. At this very moment, you can pay with your credit card, with Bitcoin, Dash, Litecoin, and Dogecoin for these contracts. So I'm just going to be doing an upgrade to show you guys how it works. Basically, we want to buy 1 terahash for $179 US. We want to pay for that with Bitcoin. Let's continue. Now we're having exactly this promo code thingy. You cannot copy paste, you actually have to type it in. If the code is valid after hitting validate, you see promo code valid, you get a 3% off a discount, agree on terms, confirm order, and you're getting a Bitcoin invoice, which we're gonna pay right now. 0.026 Bitcoin, which is $170. Let's hit send, and that's it already. So let's say you wanna buy 200 terahashes, which is 200,000 gigahashes. We have no power costs. We have a pool fee of roughly 30%. That really depends on how high Bitcoin is, because the pool fee is in cents per terahash per day, but it is roughly 30%. The hardware cost will be $31,800. But again, if you're using my code, which is down below in the comment section, you would get a 3% discount. So that means for that contract, you only have to pay $30,846. Alright, and now let's hit calculate with the current price of Bitcoin, current difficulty, and the current block reward. So basically with this contract, you would break even as we speak right now after 176.22 days. Your daily profit would be $175, weekly $1,225, monthly $5,251, and annually $63,889. Of course, that all depends on how high the difficulty will be by then and how high the price of Bitcoin will be by then. But so far, since I am in cryptocurrency, these Bitcoin mining contracts, especially these lifetime Bitcoin mining contracts, which makes Genesis mining very unique, they're definitely very profitable. And for those who don't know what lifetime mining means, it's very simple. As long as Bitcoin mining is profitable, this contract will mine Bitcoin for you. By the way, if you always want to be up to date what's going on at Genesis Mining with their contracts and so on, make sure to follow them on Twitter. And if you're already there, you can throw in a little follow for my channel as well. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye!